Hey, hello, tutorial about Microsoft Excel and Zapier. So on the Microsoft Excel field, there is a email column. There I want to show images, but if I directly put the image link, it will not uh, look like this. So it's just adding the link, but I want something like this image show on real time. So on Zapier, this is a simple hack, something like that. So this is the image field. So before the link, just need to add this code equal image quotation and image link. In this way you can easily show the image on Excel. So this is from the Zapier end. So this is the link from Zapier and show on the Excel. Okay, so if you want to show the Google Drive image, OneDrive image, like here you can see the OneDrive image. If you just share and copy the link and put here same code but different link, you can see it's failed, it will not work. So that not working, so you just need to go to here embedded option, only this option will work here. So just copy the link and paste it here. Okay, so it's now showing. So those two way can solve this issue. I hope this video will helpful. For any issues, please text me. Thank you.